Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are keeping well. I'm back from my vacation and yes, I am tanned. I am very badly tanned, but never mind, you cannot worry about getting tanned and have fun at the same time. I just had a lot of fun on my vacation and the tan will wear off eventually. So as you can see, I've already done my makeup except for my eye makeup. So today's videos are going to be all about my eyes. I'm going to be trying out a new product. It's not new at the market, it's been there for quite some time, but it's new to me. I got it during the Nykaa Pink Friday sale that was there, I think last month or last to last month. It's been there with me for some time now, but this is the first time I'm trying it out. I'm talking about the Huda Beauty Wild Obsessions palette in the shade Jaguar. Now they have 3 shades in this range, in their Wild Obsessions range, but I was especially bent towards Jaguar. Just look at the shades guys, this black and all of these, you know, nice smoky shades. This is the shade that I was absolutely mesmerized with, and I was really looking forward to trying this out. So that is what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to create a beautiful smoky eye look using this palette, and let's get started with today's video. Also in today's video, I'm supposed to be announcing the winner of my last giveaway, so please stay tuned till the very end of this video to know who the winner is. And now let's get started with today's video. Now I've already prepped and set my eyelids with my concealer and my powder, so I'm going to directly start on with the eyeshadows, and the first shade I'm going to work in with is this light mauvey brown shade, and I'm going to put it in the crease and in the outer corner to create a base for the smoky eyeshadow look. This is a really nice palette. Huda Beauty 9-pan eyeshadow palettes are my favorite. I have so many of them. I absolutely love the formula on her eyeshadows. They are really nice and easy to work with. They are super pigmented. You do not have to work really hard to get any pigment out of it at all. But however, if you are a beginner, make sure you use a very light hand because they are super pigmented and you can easily go overboard with them. Next, I'm dipping into this darker brown shade and I'm putting it just on the inside of the first shade that we've used. I'm going to create a gradient like that. So the lightest shade goes first, and then the darker one, and then the darkest one, and then goes the lid shade. That is how I like to create my eyeshadow looks. I usually use just 1 or 2 shades to create my eyeshadow looks because I'm lazy like that and I do not like to go in, you know, fully with my eyeshadows. But with this palette, I really want to go fully in. Next up, with a smaller blending brush, I'm taking this black and I'm using it in the outer corner of the eye, but on the inside of the darker brown, just to create more depth on the outer corner. And then comes the star of the show, this beautiful black golden shimmer shade. With a flatter shader brush, I'm going to just pack it on all over the eyelid. I hope there is no fallout because I've already done my base makeup and I do not want any fallout whatsoever. Just look at that shade guys. It is such a beautiful grungy, let me zoom you guys in. It is such a beautiful grungy taupey-ish kind of a shade. Let me try to build it up with my finger, and oh my god, it is a beautiful golden and a taupe, has a hint of black, and I mean just this shade is absolutely perfect. Oh boy, I absolutely am in love with this shade already. I'll go back in with the black and just add a tiny bit more to just blend the shades together. Wow, I love it already. Next, I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm going to create a very slight eyeliner along with my upper lash line using the same black eyeshadow. And with that, we are done with the eyeshadows. I'm going to be using my Color Baja Smoky Eyeliner pencil in the shade black to line my waterline with this. And then I'm using the same black eyeshadow and the darker brown eyeshadow just to smoke out the kajal along with the lower lash line. I definitely need a good amount of mascara to finish off my eye look, and I'm going to use my Huda Beauty Legit Lashes mascara, and I'm going to be using the volume side first and then the lengthening side. This is a beautiful mascara. It adds so much length and volume to your eyelashes. It just gives you the perfect opened up eye look, and it's a beautiful mascara. And with that, we are done with the eyes. Now there is no highlighting shade in this palette as such with which you can highlight your brow bone or your inner corner. So I'm just taking my MAC Cosmetics Soft and Gentle just to highlight my brow bone and the inner corner of my eye. And last but not the least, I'm going to be adding my MAC Cosmetics matte lipstick in the shade Yash to finish off the look. It's a beautiful light beigey nude shade and goes perfectly with any of your smoky eye looks. And I 100% need a bindi to finish off this makeup look. And well, that is it guys, this is the final finished makeup look. I 100% am in love with this eyeshadow palette. I mean, I was definitely drawn towards it, so it could be biased, but I absolutely love all the shades in this palette. Just look at that beautiful smoky eye look, and it's a perfect palette to create a nice black metallic smoky eye, and I mean, it's just beautiful. I hope you guys enjoy watching my videos. If you do, please like and share my videos and do subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. And hello guys, welcome to the giveaway announcement. The winner for my last giveaway is Pooja_322. Congratulations Pooja, and to anybody else who did not win this time guys, please do not be disheartened. My birthday is coming super soon and I have a huge giveaway planned for my birthday. So stay tuned to my channel and met more of your friends and family, and I love you guys so much. Thank you once again, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.